Hey YouTube, scrappers. This is Sunday, October the 16th. Just out cleaning up the garage some more. Just got rid of some tires. Guy just came and bought some tires I had for sale, which is good. Put a little cash in my pocket and try to get some of this stuff inside. Now that I have a little space, I can put my sealed units in here in case we get the S word sometime soon. Which would be the word snow. Hopefully we won't be getting it for a while. It is October, and I do live in Atlantic Canada, so anything's possible. Like you always said, if you don't like the weather, wait a minute. So I got some little pieces of copper I gotta cut off of these. And I know some of you guys sell these as is for so many cents a pound, but I like cutting them and getting the copper motors out of them. It's a beautiful day out today. It's probably, I don't know what the temperature is, roughly. Thereabouts, probably the 20s, maybe 20, 18, 20 degrees. I don't have a really organized way. I just throw it in a pile and gotta start doing these piles here. More motors. Alternator that needs to be taken apart. Some people give you so much money just for alternators and starters, but I kind of like taking them apart. Maybe someday I can get myself a scale so I can weigh stuff up and show you what I'm doing. I'd like to thank everybody that's subscribed to my channel so far. Thank you so much for the support. Hopefully I can get more of your subscriptions. Get these inside so in case winter comes, we don't have to dig through snow or anything. Trying to change things around. I had the tractor lawnmower here during the summer and the snowblower way back, and I had to switch them. Brought my toolbox up here so I can get more at it, and tires for all the cars in the yard. Have to switch out summer tires for winter ones here soon. Get that done and put the summer ones back in the back. this week. I'm gonna take my chickens to get processed. I got a bunch of roosters and I'm gonna put in the freezer. That's what all the boxes are for. Box up the chickens and put them in my car and hope they don't get out while I'm driving down the road. Alright, I'll bring you back in when I have some more things cleaned up. I was just given this freezer this weekend. I'm gonna clean it out. Anyway, it'd be good for something. A lot of goodies to take out of it. The freezer doesn't work anymore, so. But anyway. Show you what I'm going to be doing here in a little bit. So what I'm going to do is take all my mowers out and put them up beside the house. Anything else I find that, because I need to take all the engines off of the decks. See what I can sell as irony aluminum and what I can clean out and as cast and other things. Okay. There I got 4 up here now. Yeah, a lot of these mowers are just going to have the engine taken off and go to shred. Most of the engines are seized. I'll just try to take the engines apart. I don't know, I thought about maybe saving the wheels and selling them, but I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I won't bore you with any more. I'll show you what I don't think I'm going to be able to fit all of them up in there. I got a lot. because you can't see it because they're raspberry canes, but there's a lot in there. Alright, I'll bring you back in a bit. Okay, there's what I got so far. I'm just gonna bring those many 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Probably have another 40 or 50 out back, but I won't have room for these. I gotta get some motors cleaned up. I'll show you what I'm doing regards to that. Anyway, I'll get set up here. Let me get organized here. Okay, I'm scrapping some copper winding motors here. I'll get this so I can catch all the stuff that I need to. Okay, put on my safety glasses. Now, if anybody has earbuds in, you might want to take them out or lower the volume because this is going to be loud. Turn it around so I can get the rest of it. That's why I put that there, to catch that. I put that there to catch that, then I take a punch. Take my goggles off. Take a punch. This. This loosens the windings. I do this all the way around. There, once I've done that, loosen it, put it up the other way. Take a flat screwdriver. And pry. And sometimes I have to cut all these strings. Cut all those, and that way that will clean it up. And make it easier to pick stuff up. Now, oh yeah, much easier. And move this around, throw it in my bucket. This is why I put a small cardboard tray underneath this, so try to catch as much as I can. That way when I'm done I can just dump it out. Clean off the plastic bits. Screwdriver fell. Pick that up. There, got that one done, and now this goes into my number 1 bucket, or short iron, or whatever you want to call it. This one here I have to clean. But anyway, I've got a bunch of them I still got to do. Some of them I got to clean out, take the outside off. But yeah, that's how I clean my copper winding motors. If you like what you see, just wondering if you could subscribe, share, like, hit the thumbs up button, comment down below. It'd be great to hear from you. If there's a way I can do this faster and easier, just let me know, because the way I do it might not be the most efficient way to do it. But anyway, get on and make some money, scrap some stuff out. And there's a lot of there's a lot of people on the internet scrapping with videos, lots of really good videos. Just get on there and search them out. And anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. So this is what's left over, the motor. I just wanted to bring you back in to show you. Try to get all the junk out of it as I can. Here's what I got so far. Try to clean as much as I can. So anyway, these are the ones that I still have to clean. Some of them, like this one's, I think, aluminum. No, that one's copper too. Okay. Some of them might be aluminum, so I have to check them out. But anyway, all right. That's all for now.